Here's another beautiful Model A, unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 1930 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan. Those great yellow wire wheels, wide white wall tires, all steel. I guess it's, call it a taupe color, I guess, if you will, and kind of a drab olive two-tone. The yellow pinstriping, black fenders. Great look on this car. Take a look up front here at the bright work. You can see these driving lights are not hooked up, just so you know. Grill guard, 1930s license plate. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see probably close to 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Side mounted spare. This is still a 6-volt system. We'll start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. Of course, 201 L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. Cloth interior. Stock looking dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. You can see where it's had turn signals added in the front and the rear. The literal trunk on the rear of it. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com, you will see the underside, engine bay interior. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you'd like somebody to come and look at this for you, you can't make it yourself due to time or distance, not a problem. Cloth interior, of course, with the rubber flooring. No rips, tears, holes in the seats, headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Do have an aftermarket water gauge down here for temperature, and it looks like an oil pressure on this. Of course, the starter is down here on the floor. Push it in with your foot, turn the key, fires right up. It was a little cold. There's your choke. Looks like the oil pressure gauge is working. Temperature gauge, I'm assuming, does also. Not been running very long for the temp to come up. Dash looks good. Also see the fuel gauge here. Floats working, showing about a half a tank. Sure, neutral. Sounds as you'd expect. Inline 4-cylinder L-head. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this side of the hood open. I want to show you something underneath there and we'll wrap up this video. Alright, I opened up both sides so you can take a peek. Works slick because you got the handy holders that folds out right here. Did mention it was a 6-volt system. It does have the hands down in on each side of the engine. Don't always see that. Here's the battery disconnect. One of the things I wanted to show you. So there's the battery disconnect right there. Of course, the engine number stamped in the side here. Look at how nice and clean that engine bay is. Wow. Sounds good and looks good under here. Fun car. Local roll-ins, local shows, parades. Look how smooth that runs. 1930 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan, 507-386-1726. Give us a call, UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A. Very nice condition machine. This one has a rear seat. It's a 3-speed on the floor. Very nice clutch, very nice shifting. Started up and idled really nicely. Fuel gauge is showing half full. Amps are showing over 10, which is very good. Water temperature is 180. Might not be fully warmed up yet. Oil pressure at 60 or 6 on the gauge. Wiper works. Feels as a Model A should on the road. Pretty smooth ride. Once we get straightened out here, if I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. Speedometer appears to be accurate. We got up to almost 40 miles an hour there. Gotta get really low before you shift down. Corners nicely. Beautiful car. Paint's in great shape, chrome is in great shape. Windows all look very nice. Comfortable. Definitely want to take a look at all the pictures of this Model A at uniqueclassiccars.com.